Today, you'll learn how to make a Notion page public so anyone with the link can view it. This is perfect for portfolios, documentation, resumes, or shared resources you want to publish outside your workspace. We'll walk through preparing your page, enabling public access, copying and testing the link, adjusting permissions, and turning access off later if you change your mind. Follow along step by step, and you'll have a clean, professional public page in just a few minutes. Start by opening your Notion workspace and navigating to the exact page you want to share. If your content lives inside a parent page or a database, open the specific page you plan to publish, not just the top-level container. Make sure you're on the desktop or web app for the most consistent experience, and confirm that you have the right permissions on the page. If you don't see sharing options later, you may need edit access or ownership from your workspace admin. Before you flip the switch to make it public, take a careful pass through the page to confirm there's no private information visible. Look beyond the main text. Check page properties at the top, database columns, subpages, toggles, comments, callouts, and any embeds or attached files. Remove personal details, internal notes, or anything meant only for your team. If the page pulls from synced blocks or databases, make sure those sources don't expose sensitive fields. It's wise to rename files, replace screenshots that show private dashboards, and confirm that any links inside the page don't lead to restricted internal content. If you're unsure, duplicate the page and publish the duplicate so your original stays private. A quick, careful review here prevents headaches later. When you're confident the page is share ready, click the share button in the top right corner of the page. It typically appears as a share label or an arrow icon. This opens the sharing panel for the current page, where you can control access settings and manage the public link. In the sharing panel, turn on the Share to Web toggle. This action makes the page publicly viewable to anyone who has the link, even if they don't have a Notion account. By default, public viewing does not grant editing access, so people can read but not change your content. This is ideal for published documentation, portfolios, and read-only resources. After you switch the toggle on, pause for a moment while Notion generates a public link. You'll see a unique URL appear in the sharing panel once the link is ready. This link is what you'll distribute to others, and it's the only thing they need to view the page. Next, click Copy Link to copy the public URL to your clipboard. Consider pasting it into a safe place for reference, like a Notes app or a draft message, so you can find it quickly later. If you plan to share it widely, you might create a central document where you track all the public links you've published. Before you send the link out, review the additional settings in the sharing panel. You can allow comments if you want visitors to leave feedback. You can allow edits if you intentionally want collaborators to make changes on the live page. Use this carefully, as it hands control of your content to others. And you can allow duplicate as template if you want visitors to copy the page into their own workspace. Choose only what serves your goal. For most public pages, keeping editing off and enabling comments or duplicating only when necessary is a good balance between openness and control. Now test what visitors will see. Open a new browser tab and paste the copied link, or use an incognito or private window to view the page as an anonymous user. Confirm that the title, cover, and icon look good, and that the content loads quickly. Click through subpages to ensure they're visible and appropriate for the public. Test databases to make sure filters, views, and hidden fields behave as expected. Try your file downloads, embedded media, and external links to confirm nothing is broken. If anything looks off, return to your page, make edits, and refresh the public view until it matches what you want to present. When everything looks right, you're ready to share. Distribute the link through email, social media, or your preferred messaging platforms. Provide a brief description so people know what to expect, and consider pinning or bookmarking the link where your audience will find it. If you're sharing in multiple places, keep the original link intact to avoid confusion, and update your post or message if you later revise the page meaningfully. If at any point you decide to revoke public access, return to the same share settings and turn off the share to web toggle. The page will immediately stop being publicly accessible, and anyone with the old link will no longer be able to view it. You can come back later and re-enable it if you need to republish. While the page is public, remember to recheck its contents whenever you update it, especially after adding new sections, embeds, or subpages to ensure nothing private slips through. That's the full process. Prepare your page carefully, enable share to web, copy the link, adjust permissions, test the public view, share it where it matters, and disable access later if needed. With these steps, you can confidently publish polished Notion pages for portfolios, documentation, resumes, and shared resources, all while staying in control of your content.